Alright guys, welcome back to Half Fast 719. We got another video coming for you. We got the brake block off. This is the solenoid. Clean the solenoid. I didn't find too much material in the solenoid or the valve. However, you see them little speckles? Those were in this one-way check valve. So I pulled that circlip out and cleaned it all out. There's a lot of material in there. Cleaned all this out. There was some of those chunks were in here. Anyway, I'm gonna throw a new O-ring on this. That goes there. Got to throw a new O-ring on this beast right there, which doesn't even look bad, but might as well just change them while I'm in here because it was a pain in the butt to get that out. So let's go to the skid loader stir loader. So did put all the gas that I smuggle into California into the Kia. I did take the rack off because we're gonna go down tomorrow or the next day, whatever, pick up my kid from the airport. But anyway, let me get up here. Oh jeez. So it sits way back up in there. Those two little studs are hanging out. There's 4 hoses, one from the control valve, which is that hose right there. So obviously I just swung that hose away. So we got one hose there, one goes to this motor, one goes to that motor. And honestly, I don't know where the other hose goes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disconnect these hoses and these lines, because those are for the brakes. I disconnect those and push the fluid through. I did blew air through them when I had all this off, but it wasn't going into anything. I thought it was just all these hoses were disconnected. So yeah, anyway, that's what I got to do. So I'm gonna pop these off real quick. I don't like working around hydraulics because it ate my phone. Oh jeez, phone the last time. Oh man, get off this track. So I'm gonna send air through there. I can actually, I'm gonna send the air through there because it'll go in there. I have a bunch of those absorbent pads. So that side, and then this side, I'll just send air. Ouch. Air back through there, into there, put those back together, and then put this block all back together. And yeah, then I can start putting the other piece, the levers, back on, so I can test those drive motors. I think all will be good. So I did put the new things on there with some Loctite on the backside. So yeah, this is the material we got in there. Good sized chunks of material. So anyway, I want to put new O-rings on, throw this thing in there, and then I'll put this all back in there. I did check my order. Apparently I did only order one of these, so that's my fault. Anyway, I don't know what part numbers these are. So one of these is the cams and one of these is the pressure sensor. So anyway, So yeah, so I'll just replace one of these because I'm not waiting anymore. It's these. I'll find out which one's worse. This one doesn't look too bad. Whichever one's worse, I'll replace it. I believe there's 3 of them. Could be wrong. 1, 2. Yeah, there's 3. So I'll probably just replace this one. This one looks the worst. But anyway, I'm going to put all the seals on, throw this thing back in, and then I'm going to go in the house and relax. Because it's hot out here, guys. So that's going to be it for this video. We'll let you know after I get all this junk on. There'll be another video. And yeah, we'll go from there. See how it does. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do. Keep being you. Later.